I just received this new kit. It's the Onsen Secret Japanese nail care kit. I'm super excited to try it because my whole life I had hard problems with low hand self-esteem. That's possible. My routine for nail care was always trying to hide in a certain way, always take out attention from my hands, and because I have some personal problems like psoriasis in my hands, also joint inflammations, and this really changed my relation with the way I take care of my hands. Let's try. First thing I see here, it is a healing minerals cuticle conditioner serum. So that's super good, very big amount, it's like a really big tube. This is replacement strip sets. This is a nail file, very good nail file, by the way. This very useful too is the last part, that is Japanese nail buffer. And also come 2 samples and a little letter. Let's go. Now I'm gonna use the cube. And the last one is the cream. And now just a very light massage to condition all the skin around.